Hello guys, my name's Patrick, or even better, Patrick. I'm recording this video in English so I can target more people, but English isn't my native language, so it should be alright if I commit some mistakes. Then the purpose of this video is to do some self-learning stuff. So here we're gonna do a deep diving into the Vue-cli code. I haven't done it. I've never done it, so we should be learning together. If you have know something about Vue-cli, you've ever read the code, so just leave a comment here. You can help me and help other people. So I'll just use VS Code here and I'll clone the repo. Let's clone it in our desktops. So just open it. It's not supposed to be a tutorial, so tutorial is my desktop. So git clone and our URL. So we're cloning Vue-cli. Here's the dog just barking. Okay, here we are, Vue-cli. We can open this terminal. Okay, terminal. Let's code it. We're coding Vue-cli. It's nice and sweet. Okay, so probably we're going to find some weird stuff here. I've never opened this code, so here you have Lerna. I've never used Lerna. You just know it's something related to repositories, so you can like publish the things on just one repository within lots of packages in npm. So here we have the license. It's under MIT license. Okay, it's very simple. And here's the package.json. Not many dependencies, you see. There's just a couple, not a couple, but there's just some 83 lines. It's not that. And almost all the dependencies are dev dependencies. So here you have this conventional changelog. I don't have an idea what it is. So Babel core 7.0. Okay, so they're with the most one of the most recent Babel core version. So here conventional changelog. So there's Vue conventional changelog and conventional changelog. I don't know the difference. I don't know. Let's just Google it. What is a conventional changelog? Okay, conventional changelog. It generates changelogs. Generated changelog for Git metadata. So it's just some version stuff. Let's just ignore it. So debug. I don't know what's debug thing. Let's sing npm and debug. Yeah, this thing right here, small debugging utility. So what is it for? Okay, I think JavaScript debugging utility model after Node.js core debugging technique. Works with Node.js and web browsers. So it's something to debug. Maybe it's a dev dependency, so it's just for debugging. Oh yeah, debug environment variable. So it's just something for the guys to debug. I think debug the Vue-cli. Yeah, I don't know how it works actually, but it seems to be just it. We're just doing a small dive in here. We're just in the surface, so let's not bother about everything. We have ESLint. Okay, ESLint is nice. GraphQL Don't know why we have GraphQL in the Vue CLI. Don't have an idea if they use it internally. So ESLint node, it's nice. ESLint plugin Vue libs. Don't have an idea. Okay, so we have a lot of dev dependencies here. Some resolutions, Babel core. Okay. And dependencies just Babel ESLint version 10. Okay, so let's just go to README. Okay, there's a contributing guide. It should be nice to learn to read it. So you guys just go to the repo and click on this link. And you can understand more than with this video, but in this video we're just taking a look, and after we're going to deep dive, so it should be nice. Okay, so AppVeyor, I don't know what is it for. It's a YAML file install. We are in patch Chrome driver. Network time, I don't have an idea for what it is. Let's just Google it. AppVeyor.yaml. Okay, AppVeyor, is it a lib? Oh, it's like Circle CI? No? Reference. What is AppVeyor? Oh, continuous integration, so it's just like Circle CI. Never heard of it. It's nice. Okay. Cache. Nice. So we have post CSSRC auto prefixer. So it's not just, it's simple. Git ignore. So ignoring node modules. .ds star. I don't know what it's ds star, but there isn't such a thing here. Don't know. Okay. Design, we haven't designed here. Yeah, we haven't. All.log. Okay, logs are disabled. Packages /test. So tests. Oh, there's anything here, and we're ignoring it. So maybe it's compiled at some point. I don't know. Or transpiled, even better saying. Okay, so dist is the compiled stuff. Yeah, the temporary variables, so it's not going to temporary files, I guess, not going to the GitHub. VRC, don't know what is that for. Version and versions, we don't have anything like such as these things. So your unlock is just a mess. You have a lot of lines here to lock our packages. Okay, it's nice. And we have ESLint ignore, and it's entry WC. Even I don't know if the git ignore, I'm just a newbie, so I don't know if git ignore is just like it's seeing all through these folders and not only the surface. Okay, so maybe there is some files here that within the project, through the project, that are specified here, but they aren't in the root directory. I mean, okay, so here we have ESLint ignore. Okay, entry WC, don't have any idea what that thing is, so we're just learning here. Okay, and editor config root true. Okay, nice indent size. So editors should just format it in an easy way. Okay, so we have scripts. Bootstrap script. Okay, create package.json readme for packages that don't have one yet. Well, I don't know what is that thing. So let's check it. I don't know if this is the better way to start on. We have packages, Vue, okay, Vue-cli version marker. What is it? Vue-cli. Oh, maybe it works with the learn stuff. Yeah. So I think there is a lot of packages here, so we should choose one of them. Vue-cli. Okay, here it is. So if you're working with Vue-cli, we should be here. Yes. Okay, so let's just code this folder. Terminal. Let's code packages slash Vue. Isn't that Vue? There isn't such a thing. Okay. Code packages slash Vue. Okay. No, it isn't nice. It should be giving me some autocomplete. So let's code CLI folder. Coding CLI folder. Okay, here it is. Welcome. Okay, so the package.json here must be even. Oh no, it's just like the other one, but the dependencies. Oh no, there's a couple packages more. Oh, lodash.clone deep. It's nice just just getting the clone deep. There is the dependencies, but there isn't a lot of dev dependencies. I guess there isn't any dev dependencies. So in the root folder we had a lot of dev dependencies. So but here we just have some dependencies. I don't know, maybe because it's a dev tool, the CLI. So here's the readme. Full docs are here. Okay, so we have to do npm installs, just g flag vue/cli. Will create my project. Okay, it's not very clarifying my mind. npm ignore. Okay, so npm, when they're publishing the package, they're ignoring the tests, because when people are just installing, they don't care about tests. And mocks, we haven't mocks here. That version we haven't this. It should be generated by some script actually. So let's dive. We have lib and we have bin. So here in bin we have Vue.js. It's so nice, man. Vue.js here. Okay, so it should be where it all starts. We haven't any scripts here. Author bugs URL. Okay. Publish config access public. I don't know what is that for. I've never done a new npm package. I mean I've posted it a package, but it wasn't, you know, a really wide project like this one. It's very nice to find these things out. So let's see. We have the version description. Okay, bin. Oh, yeah. So bin should be when you do the npm install with the g flag, and then when you run Vue in the terminal, then npm knows that it should execute bin/vue.js. So this vue.js file is where all things start. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so it will be located in user bin env in Linux, I guess. Okay, so here we're using chalk. I don't know what is that for. Let's just Google it. Chalk. No, but it's in Portuguese. I don't want it. I want to go to npm.js. So it's chalk. Okay, terminal styling. It's just for the Oh, nice, nice. It's for styling the terminal while you're doing install or, create and stuff like that. So we have chalk and log. So we're logging chalk.blue or chalk.red. I don't know how this thing the styling the console. So, oh, but it's so nice. Okay, so it's very intuitive, right? Chalk.blue.bg red.bold, just styling a lot. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. I should use it sometime. Okay, so we have chalk, we have this sambar. Let's Google it too. Sambar. Okay, sambar, the semantic version parser used by npm. What the hell is that? I don't know. Okay, so sambar. No. Okay, so command line utility. What is that thing for? What the hell? Is it some version thing? Like, not version control, but inc takes an additional identifier string argument that will append the value of a string as a oh, it's for generating oh, I get it. So it's for generating the release name, I guess. So you put it this way and it generates the version string. But it shouldn't be just a string, I guess. It should do something else. It's just a version language. No, but it's a weird thing for open source developers, I guess. Okay, greater than equals, so you can compare multiple versions. Oh, there's the dog barking again. So course string to sambar if possible. Well, I don't know what that means, but it seems like a nice lib. So let's just keep going. Okay, and we have required version, require package.json from outside this package.json. I didn't know it worked. So from it's just a JSON. So it's very weird to require the package.json. I've never seen it. So it's taking the engines and nodes. Okay, so the required version isn't a lib, it's just taking the node version for it to run. Oh, it makes sense. Okay, so it's the node 8.9. Nice. Okay, so check node version. It checks. Oh, that is what they use the sambar stuff. So they're checking if the process.version satisfies the wanted. So I guess it should run in node greater than 8.9 or equal to 8.9. So they're checking if the user is using this version. Oh, it's very nice, and it's very simple to read, it's very simple. So here's the wanted version. It should be the 8.9 greater than or equal to 8.9, and we have the second, that is ID. I don't know what is that for. Okay, so if it doesn't satisfy, it's just being called here. Oh, the ID is Vue-cli. Okay. So here we have Vue-cli, and here we have this wanted key, that is the version. So if it doesn't satisfy the process.version does not satisfy the wanted thing, Oh, there's just a vehicle, nice vehicle here. Okay, so a nice motorcycle. Let's just say that if it doesn't satisfy, so we're just exiting the process with an error. The code status code 1, I guess it's an error, and we're doing chalk.red, so we're just spreading a lot of blood in our terminal, and you are using Node in the current process version, so we're just accusing the user of using a too old Node version. Yeah, so you should just install NVM and upgrade it. If you guys don't know, NVM is Node Version Manager. It's a very good tool. You should check it out. So after we check the Node version, what is happening? So we have const.fs. We're requiring file system, so we can read files and write stuff. We're requiring path, so we can just point to different file system locations, I guess. And slash should be to support different types of slashes between systems. Like in Windows you should have these type of slashes, while in Linux and Mac you have this one. So it's just, I guess it's to support these things, but I don't know, I've never used these slash. Maybe the path I've used, but not this slash. Okay, so this is minimus. I don't know what is that for, so we're just googling it. Minis, what was that? It was, where is it? Okay, minimist. Minimist parse. Oh, dog, you're just barking a lot. Hey, dog. Okay, so minimist is parse argument options. This module is the guts of Optimus argument parser without all the fanciful decoration. Oh, what is that for? Don't know. Argument parser, I don't know what the thing is. It should be the arguments from the console. Oh, it parses the string, I guess, within an object. So we're just taking, oh, just close this stuff. Okay, so VS Code is running in Electron, it's nice. Okay, so we have this minimus stuff, so we can convert the flags that are passed, like we're using Vue, my flag, that is 34, or that is my value, don't know. We're just taking these flags, I guess, or just, I don't know how that works, but we're going to see this. So there's a very declarative stuff. I'm just looking by myself here. It should be very nice. Okay, so enter debug mode when creating test repo. So what does that mean? So we're using slash in process.current work directory. So we're converting these strings to the current system slash, I guess. And if the index of packages slash test, so is it alright? Like we're using slash only here, but slash, it should be, you should just convert to this type of string, you know. So these type of slashes, from slash, I guess, I don't know what's the name of this slash. So this slash you guys are seeing here, I guess maybe I should do it bigger, just increase the size. Okay, so if we have this test thing in the packages, where is the packages? Where are packages? I don't know. Where are the packages? Maybe it's the packages from above. Okay, so it should just start debug for these things, I guess. So it's going to the view fs.existing. Okay, if these things exist, so it's just setting the Vue CLI debug flag to true in the environment variable. Yeah, it's just for debugging purposes. I didn't get everything of it, but it's just debugging because of tests, and don't know. Let's just jump it to the next part. So here we have the program. We require a commander, so this commander stuff, just by checking this thing out, we can know what is that for. So we're creating our command. We already have the name for it, so it's right here, being Vue. Okay, so we require the commander to pass the options, the possible options. So when I guess when the person tries to hit the age flag, it can just check these descriptions, I guess. Okay, do we have a /age? No, it's host almost, but it's for the Vue UI. Okay, so we have the help. This thing here, the minus help. Okay, so we can have help for a lot of programs. So on help, chalk.cyan. Oh, it's very beautiful. Okay, view, command, and help. Okay, so but we should have this for a lot of the commands, not just here. If I guess it should generate the help with this thing, I guess. Yeah, so let's check the program stuff. So here is the most fun part, I guess. Or I'm just saying I guess a lot of times. Just continue. Okay, so program.version, we're getting the current version and passing for this. So I think we can just hit -v to get this version. I don't know. Let's check this program stuff in npm. Program. Okay, here we have program. Oh, it's very simple, but it's in Bitbucket. Really? Why is that in Bitbucket? Okay, but does it have any docs? Well, let's see. Program Node.js docs. Let's see. No, there isn't such a thing. Where can we find docs for the program stuff? It's in Bitbucket, and the README doesn't say much about it. Okay, Node.js program package. No, we don't have we don't want a package name package. Commander. It's not program, it's commander. I'm feeling so dumb. It's just requiring commander. So it's not. I was just checking the wrong package, I guess. Okay, so it's commander. Yeah, they're just using the name program, and I'm dumb. Okay, so here we have the. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. We should have the docs within here. Where do we have some? Oh, there's correlation. Okay. range list collect. Help. Okay. Options.no help. Oh, you can just disable it and it's automatic. I mean, it should be automatic. So we're passing this this weird thing here. So I mean, it should expect it to have a name here install. It should be working like that. So let's just jump to the Vue-cli stuff. Okay, so we're setting the version of the program, the commander, and when the person hits this -v, it should get the version. I already said it. So we have usage here. Okay, so the usage is just command and options. We should have other types of usage. I mean, we can put options in another command here. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what is that usage for. Okay, so let's just jump it. What is usage for? Oh, I'm just so curious. Usage. Okay, usage. Pizza options. Oh, so if we hit pizza and the options, okay, it should. Oh no, it's just what is printed here, I guess. Nice. Okay, so if it gets the comment, it should be Vue already. Yeah, it should be Vue. Okay, so we have the comment. So we're just creating the create command. So we hit create and the app name. Oh, just a string. Okay, so create and the app name, it's Vue create. So if we hit Vue create pizza, just like the example over there, we should create a Vue project named pizza. Okay, and we're specifying some options to that command. So the description for it is create a new project powered by Vue-cli service. Okay, so we're just creating a new Vue project with using the Vue-cli. Oh, it's very neat. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. Preset, you can choose a preset. You can have the default preset, okay, for your project. We have this -i inline preset. Oh, you just create the preset yourself. Okay, and you write it there. I don't know how this preset stuff works. So okay, -m package manager, use specified npm client when installing dependencies. I guess it's for using yarn or choosing between yarn and npm. Okay, so -r registry, use specifying npm registry when installing dependencies only for npm. Oh, don't know what that means. npm registry, different registry, don't know what is that for. Okay, so -git. If you guys know these things, I don't, just comment here, it should be nice. Okay, so -r registry, no, we are already seeing that. So -g forces git init with initial commit message, so it will just create the git repo for us when we pass this. I don't get why it's that useful for, just to make things faster. Okay, so no git, we can just skip the git init. Okay, so force. override target directory if it exists. So if we're, let's just check it. It should be very simple to see. Very simple. If you hit Vue create -f bin, I think that's it. If you hit this stuff, then it will overwrite the bin directory that is being shown by the ls command. So if we don't put this -f and just hit bin, it shouldn't do anything. It will say, oh, the bin folder. Look, it's just giving us the option to overwrite it or to merge and or cancel. So if we did hit the -f, it should just override it and don't ask us, because we've already specified we want to override it. Okay, so clone, use git clone when fetching remote preset. I don't know what is that for. Okay, proxy, use specified proxy when creating project. Okay, so I guess when we're downloading something, it will use a proxy. I don't know. Okay, so bare scaffold project without beginner instructions. Maybe it just put comments out from, or it just I don't know what is that for. It just maybe it just removes some comments. Yeah. Okay, so the action of the command is very important. So options is equals clean args from the command. Okay, so this command should be a string, I guess. So where is this clean args stuff? It's right down here. Okay, right down here. Clean args. So const args equal object. Okay. Oh no, the command is an object. So we have the options for this, and we're cleaning that up. So recamelize them. Okay. I guess we're doing camel case here with the what was passed along. So O is an option. Okay, it should be nice if we just hit option here instead of O. It's confusing. Okay, so O.long, don't know what is that for. Okay, but long dot replace, it's a string. Okay, this long stuff is a string, so we're replacing in the beginning of the line the double minus for nothing. Okay, so yeah, we're passing this to the camelize, so we're removing this and doing camel case on the comment. Okay. If an option is not present and command has a method with the same name, it should not be copied. Okay, what that means is not present and comment has a method with the same name. Whoa, I don't get it. Maybe I'm just dumb and I can't understand. Oh, dog. If an option is not present, okay, we forgot to specify an option. Is that about it? And comment has a method with the same name, it should not be copied. Okay, let's see. If type of comment in the key, so the key is the new thing, is not a function, and type of command key is not undefined, so we're setting an args in this key. in this command. Okay, we're just iterating over all the commands, I guess, for the Vue create. No, all the commands, I think. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's just cleaning. It's just, you know, it's just removing this thing right here and doing camel case instead of this minus here. Yeah, I think that's it. So it cleans the args. So here we have camel case now. Okay, no git makes commander to default git to true. Okay, so I don't get it. No git makes the git flag true. It doesn't make sense. Maybe I'm just understanding this all wrong. I should study that. But it's nice, so we can just see things we've never seen before. Okay, just process dot argv dot includes argv. It should be the args passed to the process. Okay, with we have the G flag. Okay, it's for git. Oh, it's not the no git, it's the git. Or it includes the git stuff, so we can have the minus g or just minus git. They're the same. Okay. So options dot force git equal true. So we're using git now. Okay. When we set it in the options, we cleaned from this command. And then we're requiring lib create with the name and options. Okay, so maybe we should just stop here, and in the next video we can try to do a deep dive in this create thing. I think it's in here. Create, where's create here, create. Oh, so we have a lot of things here. No, not just a lot, it's just 82 lines. So we can check these out and go to the next command, I guess, in the next video. So let's just keep up, and thank you for your attention. I expect that this video was useful to you. So if you like this format of video, if you have any suggestion, then I can improve the quality of the material here. You can just leave a comment right down here. So leave a comment below, and thank you for everything, and goodbye until the next video.